All right, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is where you're listening. I wanted to do a quick demonstration of how to add a specific metric on Google Analytics such that you can create an audience for a particular landing page, and maybe the landing page isn't directly in your primary domain. So, for example, our company Veritopa.com has Google Analytics set up for all of these pages. But we also have some landing pages with a different subdomain called Mail Matrix. Instead of Veritopa.com, it's mailmatrix.veritopa.com. And what I want to be able to do is capture the amount of traffic that's coming to this page only and see that traffic in Google Analytics separately from the rest of the other just basic web traffic. So first thing I'm going to do is copy this URL and just highlight that, Command C. Now I'm going to go into Google Analytics. I'm going to go into Admin. Then I'm going to go down to Audiences. And you'll see here I have a few audiences set up, and I'm going to create a new audience, create a custom audience. Now I'm going to look for a condition here that is for page screen, and I'm going to look for page location. Okay, and then I'm going to click Add Filter, Contains, and here's where I'm going to paste that full URL. True at any point in time. Hit Apply, and now you've got it. Save. Let's see. So the other thing you want to look at here is when does it count the visitor as a new user? And so typically it's every 30 days you want to count that. But if that person revisits your site or that same IP address, it's going to recount that as a new visitor. So that's fine. 30 days is good. Save that. And now I've got this new audience that is not showing up because I didn't save the name. Let's try it again. Create custom audience, add new condition, page screen, page location, add filter, contains. There, apply, got it. Untitled. Now we got to up here. We got to add it. We're going to call this mail. No, we're gonna call it Mail Matrix. This is the AI newsletter. All right, and I don't think I need to create a trigger. No, save. There it is. Okay, just need to make sure you name it. There's a good lesson right there. If you save it without naming it, it doesn't show up in your audiences. So now we've got a new audience name. And so when you go into reports, you will see audience right here, active users by audience name. And this should be a standard report within the report snapshot page. And it'll show you once the traffic shows up, and we could try it. All users still showing 1. Okay, so we'll refresh this in a few minutes, and that'll be there. So that's how you set it up.